guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I've been working on my lovely journal and I've sort of like done a majority of the papers now, which are great, or the pages, not the papers, the pages. So these are what I did yesterday in the video, I think. This one that flipped out. I've added a little card onto there, and this one I've added, so I've sort of like added the pages, which I am loving, and I'm loving this one. I have done another one and I've shown you how to do that in a previous video of a journal card, and I've also got an Instagram video and a short to show you how to do that as well. So I've made this one, and I've made a little pocket in the top of the tree, which I think looks really, really lovely. So I've just added all these lovely pages ready to be embellished with all our beautiful cards. This is a little flip out. This has got another little sort of bit of a spine in that one, and also in here, so I can add a little bit extra. This is a little journal page. This one is beautiful because I love this picture, so I printed that on both sides, which I am loving. This I've made into a journal at the back. Well, I'm not sure whether this is going to be the back, but I've got a lovely journal in there, and this has got the lovely fairy story in as well, in the front and the back. So this page, this is a little bit that I'm going to do today, and this is a really fun little page to pop in your journal. Now I've got this little flap on there, and this page, I did this on this side, that's the other side, and I didn't want it to go on like that, so I was going to stick this on either side of that like that, but I didn't want this fairy facing down. So what I've done, I've made a little slit in the spine of the page, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pop that through like that, and then she will sit on there lovely. So that looks really good, doesn't it? I'm loving that. The other thing I wanted to do is actually make a pocket in here, like I did on the other page. So I might do the same sort of thing and sort of like tear down through here on this one before I actually stick that on. So I just wanted to show you how I did it. I've had so much fun today working on this journal. So what I'm going to do, I'm just making sure I'm not going to go down through there, because I will need to glue this bit. So if you put stuff in the pocket, it's not going to fall all the way to the bottom. So what I'm going to do, let's just see, I'm going to just tear up through here like that, nice and daringly tear through there. Just take my little dauber. Oh, I found some lovely green. It's called green lettuce, and it's a really lovely green. So I've started using that because I wanted to use different, not just the vintage photo in here. So I'm loving that. The only thing with these little daubers is they flick the little bits of foam everywhere, and I do make a bit of a mess. So I'm just going to pop that on that side, so you'll be able to see that bit like that. So this is just a nice quick one today. I'm going to take a little bit of green and a little bit of this lovely purple and just go down the edge, I think, like I did on the other one. So let's just take a little bit of this. Super simple, like that. And do you know what, I might actually just sew this on to here. I'm going to put that on. I'm going to layer another little bit on there as well. Just layer that up, so it's sort of almost, it's sort of, because it's fairy, it's almost like foresty fairy, isn't it? So it's, you know, this green cheesecloth is just absolutely perfect. So I'm just going to pop like that. Shall I sew or shall I glue? I'm going to just, I think I might just glue it actually, because I've got some 3-in-1 here. Let's just pop this down through there, like so. We want the nice scruffy bits, like that. Bring that down, squish that all down there so it sort of runkles up nicely onto there and sort of bunches up. Do you know what I mean? I will probably add a little bit more to this as I embellish the journal. Do you know what I mean? I could put a little bit of my lovely little rosy flowers and things on there, and maybe a few little flatback pearls or something as I go along. But that's the sort of like main bit that I would like. Let's pop a little bit more glue on there, like this. So this is going to be a beautiful page. Now I can't stick that down yet together until I've put this page actually on there. So I think, and then I will embellish this with a few of my little butterflies and stuff as we go through the journal as well, when we do the embellishing in maybe over the weekend or something. So I'm going to leave that like that. I won't put the purple on for now. I'm going to take my journal, open it up. And so I was just going to count, actually I was going to count how many pages or papers. So that's one, and then we've got this one, which is 2. We've got 3. I've got that one is 4. This one is 5, 6, 7. That one is 8, 9, 10. And 11, so it's not a lot, but because we've got these little pull-outs and everything like that, it makes it look a lot bigger, which I think looks lovely. I'm actually got a croaky throat again, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop that over like that, pull that in, push that down as far as I can go, like that. This side doesn't quite fit. This has got a little bit of a, if you can see on here, I've made a little bit more of a spine on there because I sewed that through like I did the other one, which I think looks really nice, and I've added a few little bits and that to the spine as well. So let's just take that, push that down, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to glue this down onto there. Now what I was actually going to do as well before I do this is pop a little bit of this pretty lace. Oh look, what have I got? So I've got a little flower in there. Where's the end? This little bit, just so it pops out through there like that. So when we close this up, I don't close that up, that will just sort of like pop out through there, so I can dingle dangle things on there as well. So I'm going to just do that before I close it all down. I want to make sure that's stuck down properly. There we go. I can always trim that little top bit off. That's not a problem. What does that look like on that side? Can you see? So then we've got nice little bit of, just a little bit of lacy ribbon on there. Where's my scissors gone? They've disappeared. Oh, I think they're under my ribbon, my lace. So let's just chop that off. Yep, there they are. Pop that over there. Right. That has to go right down. Push this right in like that. and stick that down. But before, there we go. So that's just stuck to one side, like that. I'm going to pop a little bit of velvet ribbon along there, I think, as well. So that's going to go across there. So the size of this pocket depends on this. I need to put like a line of glue across here, and then that will stick down. Then we'll have this as the pocket. So that means I need to glue all of this bit and along there. So I'm going to glue down here like that, all the way down, all the way along here. Back of our lovely little fairies. I think that's about right. Should I glue this bit up here? Which bit is that bit? So I need to just glue down here. Let me just eyeball that to about there, like that. I can just close that down. I'm not quite sure which side is the easiest to squash it down. Maybe this side. Oh, I do love this. Lovely, lovely. So we can squash that down. So there we go. So this bit shows a little bit there, but that's okay because we can cover that up with something. And then we have this lovely little pocket in there. I won't poke anything in that because I will probably end up opening it up. Now, I didn't cut this little bit off, did I? So I'm going to just chop that down like that. And then we've got our little pocket because we glued across there. So that it's got, oh, it's quite a deep pocket, look. So we can put all sorts of lovely little goodies in there. So look at that, that's beautiful. I love it. Isn't that just so gorgeous? So what I want to do on this bit to cover this piece of card up, I thought maybe we could just have a little bit of velvet ribbon just to go on this page here, like that. And it sort of like goes really well, doesn't it? I'm going to just chop that down. Just melt that because it stops it from fraying. And then I'm going to just chop along there. Like that. Perfect. Turn it around this way, then I will just glue that on like that. Oh, I do like this. I do. So we need to go sort of just down here. So yes, I've had lots of fun today, just sitting here, having a little play. I didn't video all of it, because I think you guys prefer to see me sort of embellishing it all more than just making the pages. So, stick that down. So that looks lovely. I absolutely love that. I think it looks so, so pretty. I'm going to stick some little butterflies, like I said, on there, I think, as well. And we've got this beautiful pocket. So again, something like that. Not quite, I don't think. But, oh, I don't know. I don't know. If I hadn't glued so much in there, I think that would have probably gone in. But I have all sorts of lovely bits, because that's really pretty deep. But look at that, just gorgeous. So we need to put something down there. And I also need to add something to the back. I'm not 100% sure whether that's going to be at the end of, you know, the pages. But the other thing is I've got a hard cover, because the front cover, oh, let me reach over, is going to be this little lady here. I have, and she's on a piece of this board. I thought it would be quite nice to have the back as a board as well. And it's just slightly bigger than the A4 sheet at the back that I've used. It's just slightly bigger. And I could also just join it to that, or add a few more bits to it. So I will see how much I would like to add to that, and see what we can do. I've left this bit open because we're going to just slot this in there like that. So that will just slot in there and stick down on there, which will be nice. And then we've got that little, we'll have that little pocket in this bit as well. So loving that. I think it looks really nice. I've got the little bits in here. So yeah, so the front, if you didn't see yesterday, I made these little, just folded up these papers, and I've added a little picture into this one. So that will go in, and sometimes these just straight down, things tend to fall out, so I like to put something at the bottom, and I've glued along that bit as well. So you can still have quite a big bit, but you know it's not going to fall out. This one here was, I was going to put that lovely big picture in of this. Oh, I've got one of them. I'm not quite sure where she is. Somewhere. I think I might have put her in one of the other ones. But look at these. These are just beautiful, aren't they? Just gorgeous. Loving this. I think that looks lovely, lovely. So I am very excited to start working in here. This is that beautiful trim, not trim, it's like a little, this iridescent ribbon, which is beautiful, and I just sewn down there and gathered it up, and it's just got like a little bit of shimmer, and because this is purple, I think it all sort of like works really lovely. So I might actually pop some on this one as well because it looks lovely. Or I might put some purple at the back of the book. This one here, what I did with the page, you can probably see, I sort of folded it in like this, and then I've slipped it over like I just did with the other page. I slipped it over on this one here and popped that in, and then this bit I will attach, I don't know, something to it so that this can flip like that. So we've got another extra page on there. So that gives us an extra page in there. Beautiful dragonfly. This is one of my favourite pages. So we've got double whammy on there. This is the one we've just done. And then we've got the little pocket in there. And then this is our journal at the back. So it's pretty simple. It's not too difficult, and just attaching the pages with sort of like strips as well makes it quite simple and very sort of like easy to do. So that's just a quick one for you today. Just wanted to show you how I added that page because I think it's really fab. I've left those long because I think I might just pop a little dingly dangly as you do on the back. So there we go. I love that page. So take a look out for, I think I did it on a short as well, a short video making this, and an Instagram. So I'll pop the links under the video for you to take a look. But I've also got the video of the journal card that I did too. So there we go, guys. Nice quick one for you today. Have a fab rest of the day. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon. All right, guys. Bye-bye.